Okay, welcome muli po sa ating Saturday night basketball action. First game for tonight, we will play the Flame in Black po. Yan po ang the Black Men, Team Oryx versus about always Team White po, and white and red combination. Yan po lang po ang Team QR Projects. Okay, ito po yung host with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you. And I will now deliver na global broadcast po sa ating Saturday night live action or basketball action po tayo ngayon between Team Oryx and Team Projects. Okay, tayo lang po ha. Pakilala ko muna po ating ligang ito. Itong liga naman lumilipad, ABH Friendly League, dapat sa Flying League. Ayan, si Al N. Lim is watching. Si Boss Aris at nanonood din po. Maraming makikinig po dito. This is for now for the number 1 spot of the league. Yan po, nakataya po dito ngayon. Number 1 spot on the league. Okay, ito. Good mo sa'yo. Tara. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin. Live na po tayo nyo. Live na po tayo ito. Team Oryx in black. Of course, yan po, Team White po. Yan po ang Team QR Projects. And ma'am, yan na po tayo is between the Hub versus ayan po ang In-Flights. Okay. This is your aviation friendly doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC Hard ng padala. Sama natin po dyan pa ang SPBARA o ako, Referee Association and PSBQ Basketball League. And first game for the Saturday night basketball action between Oryx and QR Projects, followed by our final game for the week is In-Flights and the Hub. Pero meantime po, dito muna po tayo, Oryx versus QR Projects. Okay, the opening buzzer now is on. Good evening po sa po lahat po dyan. Ako po si Arvin G Vlog, si Ju. Okay, Team Speed versus Team Height na mag-ano po ngayon. At the same time, yung ating mga for sure, mga birdor po ng nila Visto, kinakanap po ngayon po dito against a tall men of Team Oryx. Okay. We're just waiting up for the opening whistle, and this game is being officiated by ARA o SPBARA. Ako, Referee Association, for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. First quarter starts right now. Okay, calling now all the first 5 and final. Yung pinaka-final line na po natin. Yung po natin po dyan. Yung final instruction po for both coaches and both teams. Okay, Devil lang ko. Oy, basta. Oh, tayo tol. Nakakapon. Wala ko. Dito kami. Hindi ka ba nasali sa isa? Sa State Company? Ano sila di Bakali yan? Oo, kasama ko din. Up-duty ka lang? Oo. Duty kaya ta? Nakalag ko lang kaya pala. Nag-swimming kaya? Ganun talaga. O yan, pero kahapon, ang ganda ng laban. QFBL. Oo, QFBL. Ang problema talaga medyo,
Sino panalo ng Qatar Airways Travel?
Fusion.
Sino panalo?
Fusion. 2 points. Yun lang. Pero maganda. Pinaalago nila kasi din, pinahinabo lang nung huli, nag-trap na sila.
Sayang.
Oo. Pero ang wali doon, lumamang na yung odor, yung malakas nila, yung bato-bato, may bato-bato din eh. Class A player doon dati. Yun ang huling kumana sa kanila. Kaya sabi na ito di pa nalaglagan doon, sabi nila.
Layo pa.
Layo pa, 3-2 o ilan ba yung team doon? 3-2 lang doon, skartado nyo daw.
9 ata yung team dito.
Okay, tara. Okay, first quarter action on the way now. Okay, sa kabalo sa Team White po, Cure Project, si Visto. And another Visto, si Lavaria, number 8 at si number 16. At the same time, yung bata po, marami sana po. Si Nelvin, si Gakad, si number 19 at si Pulintan at si number 9. Yung po pinakasentro po nila sa Oryx naman. Okay, first quarter on the way now. Okay, bola po, Visto for 3. Wala pa. Gaka naka-rebound. Gaka double team by Lavarias and number 9. And Pulintan. And pass up and pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle. Won by the black shirts. Okay, team black po tayo. Ano, team black daw. Team black ang bola. Okay, team black. It's black. Pulintan, number 3, Gakad, driving against Visto. Pulintan naman, Dukot, kapos. Rebound by number 8, Kenneth. Number 8, naka-rebound po ngayon. Then, si Lavarias. Villalaba. Dish of pass. And Visto J. Wala pa rin, malimig pa rin. Gakad, naka-rebound. Gakad, rebounding. Eto na siya muna ang nagiging, nagkako na shots ngayon. Nice D by Visto, number 2. Number 2, Visto, nice D, shot clock. Okay, 8:35 in a minute. Pulitan again against Villalaba. Pops up, number 19, pasok. Number 19, 2 points. And I think baka magbabag sa paghabulan pa yata sa may team Pure Projects. Baka on the way pa iba dyan. Medyo malalim po ang bench po ngayon ng Oryx. Nice foul committed by number 9. Number 18 and Rather called for a foul. Villalaba, number 99, shooting for 2. Number 99, shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up, pasok. Nothing but net. Next shot, Villalaba, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. Okay, top sablay. Pulintan! Wala. Sa baba, Melvin for the inbound. Inbound ni Melvin. For the inbound. And to Pulintan, number 1. Vuelve naman, Melvin pops up, bordering, nope, ayaw. Pops, foul called. Ouch. Number 2 called for a foul. Number 19, Darika shooting for 2. Darika number 8, number 19, Darika shooting for 2 at 7:51 remaining. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Sir Aboy Inges watching. Si Scott is also watching. Number 19, pasok ang bola. 7:50 remaining, first quarter action is still on the way. Visto number 1, binababa ang bola. Yung Helter Skelter po ng Pure Projects po yan. And Villalaba, driving strong. Visto number 1, no good. Rebound number 8, wala, hindi nakapasa. Nice stop by number 89. And Gakad, fumbled. Visto number 2, 2 points, no foul. Daruka, Melvin, wala pa rin. Rebound by number white shirts. Rebound by the white shirts again. 3-all po tayo at 7 minutes remaining po tayo ngayon. Ayan na si Villalaba, number 99. Visto, penetrating. Naipit. Villalaba muli. Dish of pass. Nakuha. Melvin naman. Nakuha ni Villalaba. Nice hands by Villalaba. And Visto number 1. Pops up. Malakas. Visto number 2, called for a foul at si Pulintan. Nice hustle play by Visto. Sir Masbang is also watching. Sir Masbang, naka-duty daw yata, sabi nila Melvin, kaya dito nakapunta ngayon. And number 2, Visto. Villalaba, number 99. This is now for the first place in the tournament. Yan po, nakataya po dyan. Number 9. No good. Rebound. Binato kay Melvin! Nako, 2 points na kay Melvin. Itarya na kay Melvin yan. Kasi simula pa lang. 6:30. 6:30 tayo, pre. Nasa schedule. May secret naman pare. Hoy! Dito tayo para magtrabaho. Gakad! 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 No good! Rebound by Buhay. Buhay pa Pulintan. 2 points. Okay, the score is 3-7. An early timeout called by the coach. The body coach the Varas called for the timeout at 5:38 remaining. Lamang na po ng 4 ang team Oryx. Nang po tayo mga boss. I think wala rin si Rodriguez dito sa team Oryx at sa team Projects. Wala rin si Jose ng team Projects. Baka may pakapaparating pa lang yan. Kakasimula pa lang kasi. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo. 3-7 po score po natin. Teka lang. O, si scatter ba to? Ay, wala rin pala sa Albert. Okay. Lasi po sa Albert din. Mga naka-duty. Okay, tara. Sabi ni Scott, pag natalo Oryx, alam na dahil wala si Marasigan Albert. Okay, sabi ni Scott daw yan. Yan ang kanyang analysis daw. Melvin again. Mataas ang pasa ni Melvin. Good ball. Good ball po tayo. 2 points again. Pulintan, 2 points. Again, Gakad naka-intercept. Gakad again. Intercepted. Nope. Penetrating. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 8, rather, rebound. The Fiesta. Palpal. Okay, change unit po tayo at 4:57 remaining. Okay, si Coach Lavares papasok na. Si number 25. Si number 20, si Montisilo papasok din. I-retain si Bisto at si number 8. Kabila na po, of course, si Balbin, si Chudilax, si Soliano, si Pilao, at si Carriazo naman po sa kabila. Back to the ball game. Inbounding, number 8. Bisto, pops up. No good, wala pa rin. Number 21, Montisilio. Again, Bisto, pops up again. Offline. Malalim, nando si Carriazo. Carriazo again, Carriazo, binabang bola. Ayan na kay Pilao, 2 points, Pilao. Pilao, yung dating birdor po ng contact center, kung naalala nyo, nandito rin pala sa Oryx. Coach Villalaba, The Fiesta, no good. And Soliano, Balbin, Pilao, dukot, malalim. And Barbosa, pinasay Carriazo, no good. Barbosa naman, no good pa rin. Rebound by Bisto. Number 2, Bisto, kicking up the pace. Same ball. Nice guard by Carriazo. Okay, sabi ni Babagi naman, lakas, go Oryx. Okay. And number 25, kick pass kay number 8. Against Carriazo. At Bisto, pops up. 2 points. Sharp. Napakatalim nun para kay Bisto. The score now is 5-11. A 6-point advantage na by Oryx. Barbosa. Chudilax. Barbosa again. Carriazo for 3. Pasok ang bola kay 3 kay Carriazo. Carriazo 3 points. 3:03 remaining. First quarter action on the way. And Montisilio number 21. Montisilio. Naipit ang ote. Kick pass kay Labarias. Biso again for 3. Kapos. Nice trailing duty. Wala. Pilao naka-rebound. Pilao. Barbosa. Binababa ang bola. Ayan na. Pilao. Foul called. O may may message dito. Robastigas in player of the game, si Sir Melvin Nadera. Ayos. Seryoso si Melvin pa rin. Di mo maano yan. Nakatayo ngayon. Coach duty na rin. And Carriazo going for 3. Pasok na naman! It's raining bombs today for Oryx. And Montesilio, number 21. Montesilio against Soliano. Nando si Chudelac. San Soliano. Nice swipe by Soliano. And Tupilao kay Barbosa. Barbosa to solve of 12 to Mama Brothers. Carriazo again. Thinking 3. Wala. Nando si Visto. Visto naman. Visto. Nando si Carriazo muli. Carriazo. Out of bounds. Sorry. It's a foul called on number 25. Number 25 called for a foul. Carriazo. Number 11 shooting for 2. 2:01 remaining. The score is 5-17. A 12-point advantage already posted by Team Oryx. Number 11 Carriazo. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Pilao. Naka-rebound. Pilao. Naipit. Pilao. Fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. Number 8. Number 8. Binaba mabola. De Fiesta. Labarias. 2. Ako nilabas. Soliano. Binababa ang bola. Pilao. Pilao naman. Pilao. Sidestep. Carriazo. 2 points Carriazo. Nice last minute. Luel Barredo. Boss Martin. Anong quarter na, sir? Magsi-second quarter na po, sir. Magsi-second quarter na po, sir. I repeat, magsi-second quarter na po. 1 minute 22 remaining for the first quarter. Barbosa kapos. Boss, shoutout mo kay Pilao. Okay, sir. Pilao, shoutout to siya from Luel Barredo. And Montesilio, kick pass, Visto number 2, running shot, no good. Number 8, rebound. Naipit ang konti. Montesilio again, naipit, both double team. Pops up, malakas. Tumama sa ring. Nice one by Visto. Visto number 2, 2 points again. And Chudelac to Barbosa. Barbosa binababa ang bola. Barbosa, ang kapitan, Captain Barbosa. Eto naman po tayo, Carriazo, Chudelac. Who's pa rep? Number 8, De Fiesta. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by number 25. And Visto again. Visto 7-19 na score. Visto kicking up the pace. Foul called. Foul on Barbosa. Okay, sabi po niya, I repeat po, sabi ni Sir Lowell Barredo. Shoutout po kay Mr. Pilao. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Chudelac. Barbosa. Carriazo. Mababa ang pase ni Barbosa. And that's it. First quarter is finished. Ang score po natin 7-19. Lamang po ng 12 ang Team Oryx. The black shirts is leading. Medyo depleted po ang lineup po ngayon ng Team QR Projects. Ayun na, dumating pala si Mr. Albert Marasigan. Okay, second quarter now, about to start right now. Okay, Albert is here also. Albert Marasigan is in. Okay, second quarter, eto na. Second quarter, Marasigan. Okay, Marasigan, number 0, number 1, number 3 si Dwight at si number 1. Mangilim. M, no M. Okay, Mangilim. Okay, kabila po ngayon. Tabi pa si Visto, De Fiesta, si Lavarias. Si Lavarias ka. Villalaba rather at si number 19. Okay. Kinakanatis ba kung pilan ba sila? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kahit isa lang para di ma-avoid yung penalty sa Cure Project. Okay, Lavarias binabate sa Mangilim. And number 1, Marasigan, Kumat. Hop, Dom, traveling violation called. Nice pass si Marasigan. Sana. Pero nag-tiptoe siya. Visto number 1, hinati mo ni Visto. Lavarias. No good. Buhay! Sana. Balik ko sa puti ang bola. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Fresh 14 seconds shot clock. Ayan na. Still completed. Number 1. 2 points. Sabi ka, Boss Arvin, sabi mo sa Albert, huwag maninigaw. Foul called. Number 1, Mangilim called for the foul. Albert, wag ito sumigaw. Sabi ni Scott. And Lavarias, kick pass, number 18. Pops up, Villalaba, no good. Rebound, battle won by the white shirts. Ayun, malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. The score is 7-21, a 14 big advantage on Team Oryx. 8:34 remaining. Pops up, number 0, no good. Rebound again by the black shirts. Number 1, 2 points. Number 1, 2 points. And Lavarias. Visto J. Villalaba. Foul! And 1 play pa binigay. Walang takot si Kamikaze Kid. Kamikaze Kid, Villalaba. Ay, sorry. Villalaba, number 99. Shooting for the bonus free throw. It's out. 9:23 na score po natin yun. Still an 14 lead advantage being posted by Team Oryx. Okay, si number 3 pinasa kay number 1 muli po. Mangilim. Albert kumakat. Dwight. Number 1 pops up. Pasok. Nice shot by number 1. Another number 1. Dalawa si number 1 eh. Christian Ton Mendoza is watching. Villalaba. Visto number 1. Okay, dumarating na ibang kakampi. Nandun na naman. Nandun intercepted again si Dwight. Dwight. 2 points again. Camera yung call by number 1 by Team Cure Projects. Kompleto na sila. Avoid din yung penalty, yung ng half court penalty para sa Cure Projects. 10 na sila. But still depleted yung kanilang bench compared po sa Team Black. Tapos po kayo. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay, back to the ball game. 7:36 remaining. 7:36 remaining. 9:27 po score po natin. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Visto J, number 1. Okay, number 99. Villalaba. Number 12, De Fiesta. Villalaba pops up. Alanganin. And black shirts na naman. Dwight. Good ball. Nice save. May mangilim. Uy! Marasigan. Mangilim. Hindi anda pumasab. Lavarias. Si Coach Lavarias. Vilalaba. Bisto number 1. Bisto number 1. Lavarias. Pops up. Malakas. Again, number 1 muli. Nakalo. Number 1. Dwight. Nilabas. Dalaw sila. And number 8, the Fiesta foul called. Foul called on number 1. Black 1 yung, and the Fiesta number 8 shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 10-27. And one more time. Jumpers ready. The Fiesta number 8. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Marasigan. Tap to Dwight. And number 1, binababa ang bola. To Mangilim. Mangilim. Driving strong. Nice. Malialim. Good ball. Vilalaba. The lefty. 2 points. And timeout called. Oryx naman nag-timeout yun. Ayan na si Kamikaze Kid. Vilalaba. Gumagana na. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Nag-timeout po ang Oryx at 6:20 remaining. Second quarter pa lang po ito. Okay. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Si D-Mac, nanonood din pala. Of course, si Sir Francis. Sir Munoz po. Nanonood din po kapon ngayon. Okay. Ayan na, si Mil, dumating na rin, si Mil. Ayan na, dumating na, mga rest back. Ayan yung mga rest back ng Pure Projects. Rest back. Balik muli po tayo, Lavarias, nandun. Nice hustle play. Foul called. Number 0 called for the foul. Third team foul, okay. Ayan na, si Rolon tsaka si Simil dumating na rin. Okay. Sana yung Jose dumating din para maganda laban. And Vilalaba kapos. Marasigan na rebound. Out of bounds. Balik pa rin po sa puting bola. Shot clock. 14 seconds remaining again. Vilalaba. Bukot, Nando, may nagbabantay. Vilalaba, pops up. No good. Rebound with a black shirt. Si Dwight naka-rebound. Nice. Has a play with black by the white shirts. And a foul called. Vilalaba. Tumatakbo kaagad. And still number 8 for the inbound, the Fiesta. The Fiesta. Papasa kanino po kanyan? Okay, Visto J po. For sure. Okay, Coach Lavarias. Lavarias, binababa ang bola. Ayan. Vilalaba, Lavarias again. Lavarias, ipit. The Fiesta, binabata. 3-second violation. Paalala po, sa pula po tayo, sa pula, wag po sa ibang kulay. Okay, change ulit po tayo. Okay, Pulintan, si Ruiz, Gakad, number 69. At sino pa? Kulang. 4 lang kayo. Sino isa pa? Melvin. Kabila naman si 27, Mayorga. Visto number 2. Si Mil, Rolon at si Escala. Okay, balik po tayo. Tara, Melvin, binababola, Melvin, pinasa kay Pulintan, kay Gakad, against Rolon. Kick pass, Melvin, pops up. Nope, kapos. Foul called. Penalty situation for sure. Penalty situation confirmed. The score right is 12-27. Lamang po ng 15 ang Team Oryx over Cure Projects. This is now for the top spot sa ligang ito. Both them at 4-1 apiece. Ang mananalo po dito po will now secure na ito top spot already at top spot. And Bisto number 2 again. Pops up. Nope. Uy! Rolon. Up! Okay. Pulintan called for a foul. Rolon number 5 shooting for 2. Penalty na po kasi po ang Team Oryx. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kapos. Rebound by white ball. Nice hustle play by Simil. Simil number 0. Yung kanilang big man. Dominant big man ng Cure Towers. Ay, ng Cure Projects. Cure Towers. Cure Projects. Bisto. Pinasa. Rolon. No good. Rebound by the Black Shirts. To Gakad again. Gakad to Ruiz. Binabababol ng Ruiz. Gakad. Ruiz. Naku! Dahan-dahan lang. Sir. Salamat. Thank you po. Pulintan. First shot. Nope. Pulintan. Second throw. Pulintan. Second throw. Okay, sabi to si Mr. John Emma T. Okay, pa-shoutout po number 0 na white team. Thank you po. Okay. Sino yung number 0? Si Mil. Okay, si Mil. Pinapa-shoutout po ni Mr. John Emma. Okay. Again, foul call. 3:57 remaining. Gakad, first shot. Wala. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Backs out. Good ball. Ruiz. Gakad. Diving strong. Kinaliwa. Gakad again. Kinanan. Wala pa rin. Mayorga. Escamilla number 4. Pops up. No. Gakad ang rebound. Binato kay Melvin again. Melvin. Melvin, 2 shots given. First shot. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Tapos. And Bisto naka-rebound. 3:29 remaining. Bisto. Nakalusot kay Melvin. Bisto. Okay, there's a foul already. Penalty situation po yan. Back on the line muli po si Bisto number 2. Bisto number 2 back on the line. Sir Owen, si Coach Owens po, nanonood din pala po. Maraming salamat po. Si Ralph Castor din po. Maraming salamat po. Second shot. No good. And white shirts. White shirts muli po tayo. Bisto, number 2 for the inbound. Pinasa kay Escamilo. Mayorga. Escamilo. Simil sa ilalim. 2 points Simil. Nice shot by Simil. And number 69. Binababa ang bola. Bisto. Binabantayan si Pulintan. Number 2 Ruiz naman. Ruiz. And Melvin. Gakad. 2 points. Gakad 2 points. And si Mr. Escamila. Naando si Gakad sa likod. Gakad. 2 points again. Gakad, the lefty. Strikes again. Again, balik po sa 17 kalamangan. Simil naman, Travis Shong. 2 points Simil. Jolens. And Gakad, number 8. Number 3 rather. Oh, number 8 pala yun. Number 8 pala si Gakad. And Pulintan. Out of bounds. Balik po sa puti ang bola. Rolon. Pinasa kay Simil. Binababa ang bola. Simil. Rolon. Driving show. Pinasa kay Camila. Naipit. Pinasa kay Rolon for 3. 3 points Rolon. Ito na. Ito ba yung rally nila? Okay, 12 na po kalamangan. Si Ruiz naman. Against Bisto. Melvin against Rolon. Okay, Gakad. Palpal. Punitan. Ruiz again. Ruiz. Melvin. Pops up. 2 points Melvin. The bank shot of Melvin. Muntik na malakawan. Rolon again. Against Melvin. Nakuha. Nandito si Simil. Naman against Melvin. Foul on Melvin. Ilan na? Simil number 0 shooting for 2. May comment tayo dito. Maverick Valdez, pang ilang quarter ba sir? Sir, ano po tayo? Matatapos pa lang ang second quarter, sir. Second quarter is about to end. 32 seconds na lang. Simil again, 2 points. Shot again from Simil. And Melvin again. Pops up. No. Melvin! 2 points, Melvin! Wow! Woo! Gakad again for the knockout. M69, 2 points again. 8 seconds. Again, nanakaw. Pops up. Bang! Back to back at 10-10 run sa final 20 seconds by Team Oryx. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Picture muna tayo. Okay. Sir Maverick, magta third quarter na po. Labrado naman. Grabe naman yan, Sir Melvin. Okay, thank you. Jain na, pumasok na rin. Villalaba. Number 7, Jain now. Eto na. Chudilax nandun sa loob. Villalaba again. Villalaba. Jain. Drumming strong. Pops up. 2 points. Layo ka. Bata mama ano ka? Chudilax. Against Bisto. Chudilax. Being hunted by Bisto. Chudilax. Nice one, Ben. Number one. Palpal. And again. Ito na. Number 1, Bisto. Foul called. Chudilax called for the foul. Number 8, De Fiesta. Jain pinasok na rin. And number 1, Bisto. Villalaba. Jain kumakat. Villalaba. Bisto number 1. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Carriazo. Carriazo naman. Madigat ang depensa. Nice one by Villalaba. And foul. Traveling cold. Sayang yung nakaw niya na Villalaba. Called for sayang traveling ni sayang na traveling lang, pero sayang nakaw ni Hasil Villalaba doon. And still, balik ulit po tayo, 24-41. A 70-point advantage still by Team Oryx. Carriazo naman against Jain. Carriazo for 3. Pasok ang bola. Carriazo 3 points. Villalaba. Bisto number 2. Bisto pops up. Nope. Yan naman Carriazo. Up. Blocking foul con Villalaba. Number 99 called for the foul. 8:18 remaining. Chudilax for the inbound. Pinasa kay number 1, Eusebio. That's si number 1 eh. And Pilao. Ayun na. Eto naman sila. Villalaba. 2 points. Number 1, Eusebio. Dumag-dive. Again, hustle play. Villalaba again. Villalaba. 2 points again. 4-0. Nice one by Villalaba. 4-0 plus by Team QR Projects. Okay, the score that is 28-44. Lamang na lang po ng 16 ang Oryx over QR Projects. Okay, back to the ball game. Nice hustle play by Villalaba. Pwede nang bigyan ko ito, Kamikaze Kid. Okay, si Kamikaze Kid Villalaba. Okay, si Kamikaze Kid Villalaba. Maraming salamat sa kayong mga hustle play. Kinakailangan na maraming ganyan to prevail against Team Oryx. At the same time, the King also, they need to get the shooting set up as much as fast as possible para magbuka po ang depensa ng Team Oryx. Wala pa rin. De Fiesta, 2 points again. De Fiesta, 2 points. De Fiesta, shot given, bonus free throw for De Fiesta, number 8. Pops up, pasok. Okay, 7-2 blast already been felt now by Team QR Towers. Nagrarally na sila. Pulintan, Carriazo, hounded by Bisto. Gak, nandun, still completed. Villalaba naman. Villalaba, Bisto, pops up, no good. De Fiesta against Albert, nawala, Villalaba. Malakas ang tira ni number 8. Pulintan number 1. Pulintan 2 points, hindi na binantayan. Go na yun. Pag kasi nagsugal pa yun, posible mamano pa yun, mga 3 point play pa. Okay, Jain pumuposisyon. Visto number 2, no good. Jain, hindi pa rin. Pulintan. Nice one! Darkas, 2 points. Villalaba, binabanatan. Okay, Villalaba, 6:21 remaining, 31-48. Still a 17-point advantage. Villalaba, 4-3. Ayaw, nakalusot. Disho pass, pops up, kapos. Hindi handa. They need for cure projects, they need to get their shooting as fast as possible para magbukas ang depensa ng Team Oryx. Pulintan. Dito naman for sure, yung rebound sila gumagana na para sa black team po, sa Oryx. And Pulintan. Number 1, Pulintan. Pulintan number 1. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Nice rebound by the Fiesta. Uy! Montesilio. Mayorga. Malakas. Oy, teka lang. Pushing foul. Offensive foul. Okay, Pulintan, labas muna. Okay. Si Mil, pinasok muna para kay Visto number 1. Pilaw. Kakad. Nandun naman ang white shirts naman. White shirts again. Number 8. De Fiesta. Montesilio for 3. Malakas. De Fiesta. Mayorga. Nandun si Pilaw. And Pulintan naman. Lagi si Jain. Pulintan. Nilabas. Nice hustle play. Oy, 3-second violation. White shirts again. Okay, balik tayo. Jain pops up. No good. Rebound by Simil. 2 points. Nice rebound. Gakad. Pilaw. Nandun si Jain. Pilaw. Marasigan. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Marasigan again. Pilaw. Chudelax against Mayorga. And to Pulintan again. Against Mayorga. Hustle being bothered. Chudelax. Pulintan. Nakalusot. Wala na. Okay, Jain. Montesilio. Mayorga. Nice one. Pops up. Nope. Mayorga naman. Montesilio again. De Fiesta. Jain. Pops up. Kapos. Pilaw. Handed by three shirts. Pilaw. Nope. Foul called. Mayorga, first personal foul po ni Mayorga yan. 3:45 remaining sa ating third quarter action. 33-14, lamang po ng 15 lang ang Team Oryx. Pulintan, naghahanap. Chudelax! 2-point Chudelax. Nice pass. Simple lang, but elegant. And Montesilio. Rolon. Naipit. Ay! White ball. 9 seconds to remain. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to remain. 9 seconds to shoot. Montesilio. Jane driving strong. Jane again. Nice pass. Rolon. Nope. Chudelax. Rebounding. And Sampo. Okay. White shirts. Acknowledge ni Chudelax na tumama sa kanya yung bola. 33-50 at 17 point advantage again. Pops sa Mayorga. Nope. Oy! Foul call for sure kay Rolon. Gakad. Pilaw, binabantayan. Pilaw again. Number 69 pops up. Nope. Rebound by Jane. Jane again. Number 3. Jane. Sayang. Jane. Shooting for 2. Pulintan. Pang-apat natin Pulintan daw yung sinasabi. Okay, Sir Ruiz. Tinap na ni Melvin. Okay, Pulintan, labas muna para kay Ruiz. And Jay, number 77, shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second throw ni Jane. Jumpers ready po tayo. 77, Jane. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 16 po. Laman na 16. 16 lang yan. Ruiz. Against Visto. Ruiz. Rolon. Gakad. Pilaw for 3. Nope. Rebound by Simil. Oy! Foul called. Foul on number 69. Number 89 rather. Sorry, number 89 po. Foul on number 89. Penalty situation. Simil shooting for 2. Gakad, dilabas muna. Quality minutes kay Mr. Gakad. Quality minutes ang binigyan ni Mr. Gakad sa team ng Oryx. Simil first shot. Pasok. Nothing but net. Second throw by Mr. Oryx. Mr. Simil. Simil, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Rolon. Sayang. Traveling violation by Rolon. Ruiz. Nando si Visto. Visto. 2 points. 13. Laman ng 13. 37-50. Labaria, daipit. Labares, binabas si Ruiz. Pilaw against Visto. Again by Jane. Two seconds to go para ipasa yung bola. Nice one by Jane. 1 second pa. May 1 second pa. Barbosa for the inbound. They pasa. Foul called. Hustle fake, grabe. Okay, sinasabi rito, meron PB Pablo Bartolome. Shoutout watching from Biryani House. Sarap yan Bishop Bartolome Ruiz, first shot. Wala. Second on the Ruiz. Jumpers ready po tayo. Hub. Nasa po yung the hub. Calling all the hub. May mga third quarter na po for both decks team po between the hub and in flights. Where you na? Yung team hub po. Nasa na po kayo? Team hub. Balik muli po tayo. Si Mil pinasa kay Bisto. Bisto nakalusot. Bisto. Foul called. Number 89. Number 89 called for the foul. Number 2, Visto shooting for 2. It's in. Second throw ni Visto. 38-51. 13 kalamangan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Nakalusot. Barbosa. Darkas. Ruiz, palpal. Jain nakabuha. Jain pushing. Jain 2 points. Jain. Sumobre yung pangkapan ko. Again, Ruiz. Again, si Mil. Nakalusot. May foul nga lang sa ilalim sa likod. Si Mil called for a foul. Okay, Barbosa. Nope, it's Ruiz for the inbound. Barbosa against Villalaba. Nasaan ka na? And Dark. Barbosa. Dwight! 2 points, Dwight. Nice play. Nice cut by Dwight. Jane na naman, Jane, Bisto. Villalaba against Barbosa. Nakalusot, foul called. Villalaba, 99, shooting for 2. Pops up. Out. Second throw, Villalaba. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, Villalaba. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. Okay, 41-15. 12 lang yan. 52 seconds remaining. Darkas, 2 points. Darkas, 2 points. Villalaba, Jain, naipit. Foul!
Penalty. Villalaba first personal foul. Both teams for penalty. 35 seconds.
Darkas shooting for 2. 35 seconds remaining. 41-55. Okay. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Hello. Natakot. Okay, number 19, Darkas, second shot, pops up. Wala. Rebound by Barbosa. Ruiz, naiwan. Wala. Rebound by Bisto. Bisto nakalusot. Bisto. 2 points, Bisto. Ganun. Barbosa. Darkas. Dwight. Tapos. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na naman. Villalaba. Bisto. Villalaba. Wala. Sayang. Okay, laman po ng 12 po ang Team Oryx, 43-55. After 3 quarters, laman pa rin po ng Oryx. I repeat, 43-55. The Hub, nasa po yung The Hub. Wala pa po kayo dito. Magkabang po 4th quarter na. The Hub, where you na? Maraming salamat po. Okay, medyo taon to?
1 year, 2 months.
Bibo na.
Ibu ka ba na dito?
Tote Bib.
Ano ba dito?
Pangalan yun, di ba? First. Ano gusto mo? Basketball, volleyball? Okay, si Albert Marasigan, shoutout po from Scott. Marasigan, seryoso nga si Marasigan. Talagang game mode siya ngayon. Talagang seryoso yung mama. Okay, ito na, fourth quarter start. Ito na, final 10 minutes. Marasigan against Jane, Kumat si number 1, Gisebio. And one play binigay. Wala na sila. Okay, Dave Perito is watching. Sir Dave. And pops up, Eusebio, no good. Rebound by Gakad again. Gakad against Bisto. Nando sila Varias, hindi nakuha. And Chudelax pops up. No, 2 points Chudelax. Lucky bounce. 9:32 remaining. 43-59. 16-point advantage. 40-0 run by Team Oryx. Nandun si Gakad. Gakad is Jane. No good. Nice hustle play by Jane. Jane pops up. Naku kapos si Bisto. $8:57 remaining. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Dave Perito is watching. Sir Dave, nasa na kayo, sir? Woy! Sumobra. Nauna yung hakbang si Yapak. Balik tayo, muli po tayo. Mrs. Simil for the inbound. And to Binalaba, binababa ang bola. Number 8, Binalaba again. Simil nandun. Simil! No good. Eusebio ang Binalaba. Eusebio, nakalusot. Oy! Palpal pati. Dumaan mga ito. Appreciate niyo yung makilang niya. Simil! Foul called. Akong shooting. Simil shooting for 2. Simil shooting for 2. Number 0, Simil. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, Simil. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Simil. Wala pareho. Rebound by Marasigan. 7:51 remaining. 43-58. Chudelax. Gakad! 2 points Gakad. Nakalusot si Gakad. Sabi ni Mel, wag daw tayo magmadali. Tama naman talaga, lamang daw sila. Dapat sila nagmamadali. Again, Bisto. Pops up for 3. Pasok. Now it's about high time now. That 3 points is a must now for Team QR Projects. Marasigan. Ayan na naman siya. 2 points Gakad. Timeout called by Team QR Projects. Okay, si Mr. So. Good luck sa mga expert po ng Extreme Bowlers. Okay, sabi ni Agent So, good luck po sa mga expert po ng Extreme Bowlers. Defunct na rin yun eh. Back to the bogey muli po tayo. Jain kay Villalaba. Jain, foul called. Uy, foul called. Jersey number 11 called for a foul. Jersey number 11, pangulan po ni jersey number 11. De Fiesta. Number 8, De Fiesta. Pops up. It's in. Next shot. Jumpers ready. Ay lang yan, oh. Aga pa yan. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Yes, sir. De Fiesta, both basket made. Again, Pulintan na naman nagmamadali. Si Pulintan. 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 Marasigan. Nagmabasahan. Jain, dinidikitan na. And of course, si Carayaso against Visto number 2. Carayaso. Oh, si Daisy. May foul po, sabi ng referee. Tama lang. Second personal foul by Visto. Okay, Mr. Marasigan. Chudelax, Marasigan. Power move, 2 points. Dominant center by Marasigan. Siya nga ng Marasigan ngayon. Siya ang dominant center ngayon. Wala yung dalawa kasi. Wala si Masbang tsaka si Mr. Natur. Villalaba for 3. Nope. Rebound again by Marasigan. Pinakita ni Marasigan sino talaga siya. And Chudelax. Number 1, Pulintan. Darkas. Darkas nagmadali. Lost the ball. White ball. Nice hustle play by Mr. Simil. Villalaba nagmamadali. Villalaba attacking. Villalaba 2 points. Kamikasi Villalaba. Mr. Kamikasi. Villalaba. Darkas against Pulintan, Villalaba, Simil, lost the ball, White same ball. Nice stop by Mr. Simil. 13 seconds remaining, 13 seconds to shoot. And Mr. Marasigan for the inbound. Marasigan, inbounding. Chudelax against Jain. Chudelax, Jain, nakuha ng pick. Chudelax, shoot, stop! Simil, Jain! 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 Naku, nilabas! No foul. Villalaba! Foul called. 77, Jain called for a foul. Balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. 4:41 remaining at sa 14-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Team Oryx. Marasigan. 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 Naipit. Chudelax. Marasigan. Jain nandun. Jain nagmamadali. Jain minababa. Jain. Jain. Jain lost the ball. Jain again. Visto for 3. Palpal. Nice block by Marasigan. Nice block by Marasigan. 4:11 remaining, 50-64. Visto number 2. Pops up again for 3. Kapos. Good ball. Pulintan. Mirahabli Visto. Pulintan. Visto. Oop! Si Daisy. White ball again. White ball. White ball. Villalaba naman. Villalaba. Nagmamadali. Ayan na si Villalaba. Villalaba. Palpal. Darkas. What a block by Darkas. Carriazo naman. Wala. Darkas, 2 points. Si Mil. Binababa ang bola. Nandun si Carriazo. Double team. Oh, si Daisy. Help goal situation. Wala. Projects ball. Pure projects ball. Oh. Projects ball. Save 3-21 remaining. 16-point advantage. Still enjoyed by Team Oryx. Villalaba. Jain pops up. Take 3. Jain shooting for 3. Jain first shot. It's out. Second shot, Jain. Pops up. Pasok. Last throw, Jain. Last throw, Jain. Nope. Rebound by Chudilax. Defense against Chudilax. Chudilax. Nice one. Darkas, 2 points. Jain again. Jain. No foul. Take 2. Jain, number 77, shooting for 2. Jain, number 77, shooting for 2 po tayo. The score right now is 51-68. It's in. 2:45 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Sec shot. Nope. Rebound again by Darkas. Carriazo. Ayun na naman siya. Carriazo. 2 points. Pops up. Bisto. No good. Jain. Pops up. No good. Again, Jain for the rebound. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 89. Chudilax. Binato na kay Carriazo. 2:13 remaining. Ayun na naman. 2 points again. Nice shot by number 19. Darkas. Villalaba. Binababa ang bola. Visto. Pops up for 3. Up. Take 3. Number 89 called for the foul. Take 3, Visto. At 20-point lead advantage. Nagtama pa po ang Oryx. At 20-point lead advantage being enjoyed na by Oryx over QR Projects. Sabi ni Aiden So, good luck po sa mga player po ng ex-player po ng Extreme Ballers. I think that's pertain po sa the likes of Mr. Chudilax yan. Mga dati extreme ballers yan.
Basketball game. 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Wala pala kayo. Iba, nasa iba. Fourth quarter na. Patapos na. Ah, sige. Maaga matapos. Matatapos na rin to. Idol. Ang ganda ng get up natin pre. Nakala ko pa. Visto. Nope. Second shot. Visto. Hey, party sila, di ba? Party na, ano? Nagdala pala kayo. Ito, ayos na. Nichols. Apat pangalan. No good. And Manasikan. Pops up. No good. 1:46 remaining. Visto again. Visto inatake. Foul call.
Boy, girl.
Pangalan? Nichols Jr.?
Klaus.
Nichols is eh.
Klaus.
Nichols.
Nichols. Sa kasa yun eh.
Yun ang nakasulat sa amin eh. Jersey. Ano magagawa? Yun ang pagkakabasa.
Klaus nga.
Jack Nicklaus. Yung... Ayan na. Ayan naman sila. Pilaw. Pilaw against Marioga. Pilaw, wala pa rin. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Jai naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Visto. Visto for 3. Out of bounds. Out of line. 1:12 remaining. Eusebio. Sino? Papunta si D-Mac? Bakasyon. Idol. Okay, nagtamat muna po ang team. Sino tamat, sir? Oryx o no? Projects. Sino time out? Okay, nagtamat pa rin sila. Ganda ng view natin kanina, no? Maabot ang 10 kanina eh.
Time out yun yung kabila.
Okay. Kung nandito si Jose, magandang texture sana. Yung sing may maskara. Kompleto na siya, walang dominant ang center eh. Yung Jose maskara, yung matangkad, kaya niya makipagsabayan. Tsaka may move siya eh. Basic niya lang, pero may maganda. Maganda tingin. Yung pivot niya. Okay, 1:04 remaining, 56-72. Lamang pa rin po ng 16 ang Team Oryx. Eto na. Number 0. Pops up Eusebio. Wala. Rebound by Visto. Villalaba. 2 points. Foul counted. Pinol pa. Villalaba 50-72. Shot pops up. Nope. Rebound. Mayorga. Chain. For 3. Nope. Visto 2 points. 12. 37 seconds remaining. Pinaw na lang ni Mayorga. And time will go by the project. Ang pangalan, ma'am? Sakaya. Ganda. Sakaya. One of the great kings of Judah. And Sakaya. One of the great kings of Judah. Aside from David. And Solomon. 34 seconds remaining. From win number 5. Bilao. Barbosa. Wala. Villalaba. Pinasa na lang. Villalaba. Wala pa rin. Yan, talaga na. Pagod na rin. Bilao. Okay, that's it. Pops up. Tapos. Visto. 3 points. Basket made. And that's it. Okay, maraming salamat po. Bago pala mag-outro muna pala tayo. Okay. Mag-outro muna po tayo. You've watched now the game between Oryx and Pure Projects. Final score 63-72. Winner po ang Orex basketball team. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo po sa next game for the day.